everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is my first video of my 12th examinations practical experience. So I'll tell you first that what happened at my examination day and what my real experience that I've experienced on my practical day. So when I went to the school at 9:30 sharp, it was our reporting time. So we went to the lab, computer lab, and we just sat down on the computer systems which were allotted to us in the starting of the session. So the first thing which was informed to us was we have to fill up the practical notebooks from the board, CBSE boards. We have provided a notebook which was about 6 to 7 pages. So in which we have to answer the questions that was asked in the question paper. So there is a sample question. There was a question paper actually which we have in our school. We have 2 sets. So I got first set. So in which we have total 4 questions, but we have to write the answers of first question only, which are 2 parts in the practical notebook. So we just fill up the practical notebooks front in which we have to fill name, roll number, and then roll number in words, then which name of the examination, medium of filling the notebook, total marks, practical marks, ये सब हमको fill करना होता है. Then we just went through it. तो हमको अच्छे से इंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया कि हमें कैसे अपनी फाइल नोटबुक जो है वो फिल करनी है. हमने उस नोटबुक को फिल किया केयरफुली. फिर उसके बाद हमें जो क्वेश्चन पेपर प्रोवाइड किया गया था उसमें जो 2 क्वेश्चंस थे हमने उनके आंसर्स लिखे. हो सकता है आपके स्कूल में 2 क्वेश्चंस ना हो, 3 क्वेश्चंस हों, या फिर कोई क्वेश्चंस भी अलग हों. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पर एक कोडिंग से रिलेटेड फंक्शन बनाना था, हमें उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन था, और एक हमें एसक्यूएल क्वेरी का क्वेश्चन था जिसमें 4 सब पार्ट्स थे. ठीक है, तो हो सकता है आपके स्कूल में कुछ अलग सा हो. हमने उस कॉपी को फिल किया, सारे बच्चों ने फिल किया एक साथ. ऐसा होता है सीएस में इनपुट राइट साइड में लिखते हैं और आउटपुट लेफ्ट साइड में लिखते हैं. तो एग्जामिनेशन कॉपी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल this is my examination copy. So I have to write the input here and then output will be here on my left side. See, you have to be see it oppositely. This was the scenario. Then we just end up with the activity. Then our vice principal said examiner have reached our school. Then the students start waiting for the viva. So I was also quite nervous and anxious because it was my first CS practical of 12th. But my roll number was at last because of my alphabet T. So one by one each student was going. Actually 2 students were together to go in front of the examiner. First he will examine the first student and then he will examine the second student. So I went with another guy who was a little dumb, I have to say, but yeah. So I went with him, and the first examiner asked questions to me, and he asked me just 2 questions at that time because I was in the end. So I think he was little frustrated or little type of reckless. So somewhere he just wanted to end quickly. So he just asked me about 2 questions. He on the same side he was checking our files and projects. He was signing all the material that we had, and we have just collected all over the year, the practical file, the program file, and all the stuff. So he asked me about the keys. Then I just spoke up my answer, and then he asked me about modem also, where I just slightly wrong. I was slightly wrong in my answer. He just correct me at that point, and then I just said, sorry sir, I'll keep on the topic. So he said okay, and just he explained me the answer correctly where I was wrong. Then he just passed a smile, and I just passed a smile, and I just went through it. And then he asked me to call the next student. But with the child, the student who went with me, he was there, and then the examiner started examining him. So he was not asking us questions to us together. He was asking one by one. Also, what I experience is examiners look strange, look strict, but they are quite calm, cool, because they are also teachers and they are there for helping us. They are there to give marks, but just we have to put efforts, confidence. As a CBSE board student, I just was prepared that I have to answer the questions in English because it's English medium school now. So, and then second thing, what I just set up in my mind, that I have to explain the whole topic beautifully, that the examiner must look like the student is confident about the answer. Whether you know it accurately or slightly, you have to tell all the thoughts that you are remembering in the mind, that you know the topic. You have to show the examiner that you know it and you can explain it. Either you are not in, like, maybe you are at the time, you are on the spot, you are not taking the thoughts in front of you, or you're not good conveying, और like आप सही से नहीं कन्वे कर पा रहे हो, पर फिर भी आपको ये दिखाना है कि आपको आता है, यू कैन राइट इट. आपको कॉन्फिडेंस में रखना है एग्जामिनर को. नाउ देयर इज द लास्ट एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो. आई वुड सजेस्ट कि डरो मत, कुछ नहीं होता है, बस फोमो बनाते हैं. दूसरी बात, मैंने जो आपको बताया कि आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस है इसमें बस आपको कॉन्फिडेंट रहना है. नर्वसनेस होती है, एंशियसनेस होती है, बट व्हाट इज देयर कि आपको प्रैक्टिकल में वो, मतलब जो भी आपको उसके बारे में पता है ना, आपको बस बता देना है. मैंने जो टिप्स यूज़ की वो ये थी कि मैंने यूट्यूब एक दिन पहले स्क्रॉल किया था, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. जैसे सबको होता है, तो मैंने कुछ 20-25 क्वेश्चंस देखे थे कि ये पूछते हैं, और मुझसे एग्जामिनर ने उन 20 में से 25 में से एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. उन्होंने पता नहीं कहाँ से ही पूछा, बट इट वेंट गुड बिकॉज आई हैव थॉरली रीड द बुक्स ना. So, and at the last, what I used the book for my CS practical was this, because I have used this book whole year na. So, Computer Science by मतलब धनपत राय publication, Sumita Arora. So this book, I think all schools prefer this book. And for my practical, for all the 12th board graders, as I am also a 12th grade student, I would suggest, be confident, speak in English. If you can't, then just vent as much you can in English. Then you have, like, हिंदी में बोल सकते हो. जैसे अभी मैं अटक रही हूँ, आई नो मैं अटक रही हूँ, बट जितनी मैं बोल सकती हूँ मैं उतनी बोलूँगी, क्योंकि मैं नहीं बोलूँगी तो भी टोकेंगे, और मैं गलत बोलूँगी तो भी टोकेंगे. तो अगर मैं गलत बोल के थोड़ा थोड़ा सीखूँगी तो ज़्यादा बेटर है. थर्ड थिंग इज कि एग्जामिनर को आपको कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाना है. चाहे आपको कम आता है, फिर भी आपको दिखाना है कि मुझे आता है, आई कैन स्पीक मोर. मैंने अब मुझसे 2 ही क्वेश्चन पूछे, मैंने उन क्वेश्चंस को अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया. अभी मुझे मेरे मार्क्स नहीं पता है प्रैक्टिकल के, बट जब भी रिजल्ट आएगा, आई विल शो इट ऑन द यूट्यूब, आई विल शो इट टू यू दैट हाउ माई प्रैक्टिकल्स एक्सपीरियंस वाज एंड हाउ आई गेट द मार्क्स. ओके, बाय बाय, थैंक यू.